Grocery prices have risen 26.8% over the last decade, and our paychecks are failing to keep up. If your wallet needs a break, try Ibotta, the free app that earns easy cash back at the grocery store. You'll even get a $20 welcome bonus just for using the app. How does it work? Simply open the app, select your nearby grocery store, and add items to your Ibotta cashback grocery list. Then head to the grocery store and shop like normal. There are no coupons to remember, nothing to scan. Simply pay for your groceries and grab your receipt. Once you're back home, snap a picture of your receipt with the Ibotta app. And just like that, real money will be credited to your Ibotta account. You just got paid to grocery shop. In 2019, Ibotta gave its users $186 million in cash back. Steve has made over $500 with Ibotta and is saving that money for Christmas. Joy is approaching $2,000 saved and will put it towards her son's college tuition. Ibotta money can either be deposited directly into your bank account, or it can be redeemed for free gift cards to your favorite stores like Amazon, Starbucks, Bath & Body Works, and many more. But wait, cash back on groceries is just the tip of the iceberg. The Ibotta app home tab has even more ways to earn cash back. Shop online through the Ibotta app to earn cash back from the comfort of your couch. Connect your credit card to the Ibotta app to use the Pay with Ibotta feature. You will earn big cash back bonuses at over 50 of your favorite in-store retailers, including Walmart, Starbucks, and Chipotle. And don't forget to invite your friends and family to use Ibotta. For every friend you invite, you earn $5. If the rising cost of food is leaving your paycheck behind, try the free Ibotta app to earn cash back at the grocery store. And don't forget to claim your $20 Ibotta welcome bonus using the link below this video. Simply use the app, earn cash back, and Ibotta will give you an extra $20. Test Ibotta for yourself to see how much money you can earn your next grocery trip.